Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a unicorn ice cream bar. So let's get started. To draw this unicorn ice cream bar, we're going to first start by drawing the flower decorations at the top. So right here I'm going to start with the center flower and just swirl a circular rose. So I'm just going to go around and around. And you just build it as big as you want. So just going to go around and around. Just add curves. So I have my first flower in, and then I'm going to come to the sides and draw two more. So on the side ones, I'm going to make them a little bit more ovalish. So I'm just going to come right here next to that flower, and once again just swirl. So don't worry too much about this. It's just an indication of flowers. There's no wrong way to do these flowers. Just keep swirling and adding curves. And so same thing over here. Just going to add another flower. So just add your curves however big you want them to be. So say about that much. I have this nice little mound right here. Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger over here. So I need a little bit wider. So as you can see, if you need it wider, just keep adding your petals. There. So from there, I'm going to add some leaves right here on the sides. And then maybe a smaller flower right here to decorate it. And another smaller one right here. And say some leaves right here. Okay, so that's our goal, basically to have this nice mound of flowers. So then from there, let's come to the center right here. I'm going to go straight up, find my center. So say about right here. That's how high I want my horn to be. And then from there, I'm going to basically just draw an angle line down on both sides. So that's my horn. And let's come in here and we're just going to draw some curves to give our horn some dimension. And then let's come to the side and we're going to draw the ears. So I'm going to pop them up right here. So I'm just going to give myself a point right here and draw a curve down. And draw the inside. So let's do the same thing for the other side. So right there, just going to drag some points across. Approximately this high. And bring it down to your point. And once again, the inside. So we have our ears. Now finally the ice cream bar part. So that's why we wanted to build this kind of mound right here. So now we can come about right here on both sides, nice and centered. And we're going to draw a soft curve all the way down for our ice cream bar. So let's keep coming down. And so from there, let's come in and round it off and connect it. It's just going to be flatter towards the end. And connect. And so then from there, let's come down here and we're going to draw the popsicle stick. So just give myself 2 points, nice and centered, and I'm going to slight angle line down on both sides. And I'm going to start to round it off and connect it at the bottom with a curve. And since we're here, let's add a heart right here on my popsicle stick. So that's my Drastic unicorn ice cream bar, right? So now finally, let's bring this little unicorn to life. Let's come towards maybe the topish area right here. And I'm going to start right here and add a curve. Just a very happy curve for eyes, happy smile. And you can come out, just add some lashes if you want. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Go right there. And lashes. And come in here and thicken it. And let's give a smile. So right in the center right here, let's give a sweet little cute smirk smile. Just a little bit higher on one side. And go up here and just very lightly draw 2 curves for the eyebrow area. So there, that's pretty much it for this unicorn ice cream bar. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Cute videos. See you later.